Hi guys, Geocaching Owen here today with GC Harry and it's my birthday. So we've decided to find a geocache in Southampton. So it's quite a long geocache, so my family and Rimley have decided to sit down while we find this one. So wish us luck. So we've been to 3 locations so far, now coming up to our 4th, so it's taken us on a tour around all the different parks in Southampton and all the different memorials and fountains and whatnot. So we'll get these coordinates and move on to quite a few more locations until we get a final. So we've found all the coordinates that we need. We've visited 9 locations in the end, and Harry's just working out the coordinates, and then we'll try and find the final location of the geocache. So we've been searching around a bit, and we finally found the cache just in here. And there is the geocache. So we had to go and visit 9 locations to get this. So we'll get the log out and sign it and put it back for the next person to find. So found the cache and put it back. So me and Harry have some exciting news. So we're going to start doing a joint Patreon to help with both of our channels. So some of our rewards for becoming a patron is it dog tags,
yeah,
packables, Geo medals, 3D printed caches and little tokens. So if you haven't seen my tokens before, there's a name and the geocaching icon. So we're going to give them away to people who become patrons. So if you're interested in becoming a patron, check out the link below. If you like this video, give it a like and a thumbs up and subscribe in the corner. See you next time. See ya.